Welcome back everyone to Making Stuff and Breaking Stuff with Al. So today we're going to finish up the review of my new Ryobi P-790, the new 18 volt hybrid LED project light. I really like this thing so far. Last night I did a runtime test on high, which is 900 lumens. So we got it right here. There's three modes on this thing. High, 900 lumens. Oh, see, when it's about to go dead it blinks 5 times and then it shuts off. Oh, we'll hear in a second because this battery's toast. I had it running all night. So 2 hours, 45 minutes, give or take 5 minutes. That's what I had runtime on the 2 amp hour battery. So that's really good on high. 900 lumens, almost just under 3 hours. Has 3 modes. High, 900. Tap the button here. 600, and then I think low is 100 lumens. Really nice. It's got a good ergo grip on it. I really like that. Has a magnetic tray, so if you're working on something, you can set your stuff down. You can swivel it back and forth. You can also turn it 180 degrees left or right. It's got a good sturdy base. So, I mean, really lights up the area. Also the hook, which I showed wrong last night. This doesn't unlock it. It snaps forward or back and it comes up. You can hang it. It's got a good balance to it. What else about this light? Comes with a 3-year, no questions asked warranty. So we're going to do a couple drop tests. We're going to do drop tests from I think 3 feet, 6 feet, maybe 9 feet. If I'm feeling froggy, we'll see. One thing I did notice last night, that this fit on here, is really snug. Oh, I also forgot to mention, if you're hanging it from something, you can use extension cord and run it off of regular outlet power, 120, 110, whatever you call it. All right, let's see if it fits on my knockoff Energup, or whatever it is, 4-hour amp battery. Hey, it works, because this battery doesn't work on my circular saw for some reason. It's really weird. It works on the Sawzall, everything else, fan, drills, impact, but the circular saw doesn't work. I don't know why. Alright, should we do a couple drop tests and see if this bad boy breaks? Kind of nervous. I'm going to take the battery out. Okay. Alright everyone, so the first test we're going to do is just a 3-foot drop test just to see how it holds up. Not too worried about that one. Still works just fine. Off. Next, let's see. 3, I'm 6'5", so face height should be about 6 feet. Ooh. Still looks okay. Not even a scratch on it. I thought that was a big scratch in the front, but it wasn't. See if she still works. High, medium, low, no problem. Wait, high, medium, low, off. Yeah, 4 clicks. Alright guys, here we go. Drop test from 10 feet, take 2, actually take 3, because the stupid camera wasn't recording, so now I got 2 cameras going just in case one shuts off because it's cold. Alright, toss this up 10 feet over my head. Hopefully it doesn't shatter to a million pieces. Here we go. Take 3. Got a nice scuff there, nice scuff there. Lock still works. I think that one landed right on the lock. High, medium, low, off. Alright, still works. Didn't shatter into a million pieces. So I hope you like this review of the model P-790 18 volt hybrid project work light. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot me an email or leave a comment down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Stick around for future videos. I also am almost done with the 100 subscriber giveaway knife. That'll be coming out pretty soon, and also the camp knife / chopper knife, whatever big knife I'm working on. Yeah, so hope you liked it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Alright everyone, see ya!